In this lesson, you're going to learn how to create your own transparent images. So you're going to learn how to remove backgrounds. So we're going to use an example of an image with a white background. So go ahead and find an image with a white background, any image. I'm going to use a picture of a cat. Make sure to click on View Image. You can right click, copy image address. And we're going to go to Open Image from URL in Pixlr. Make sure to move the text in that box, paste, and click OK. So, for example, we want to use this cat on an image, but we got to get rid of all this white background. In your Layers window, you're going to have a locked layer. Double click on the lock to unlock it. And since this is mostly all white, we can use the magic wand tool. So click on the magic wand tool, and then click on your white background, and you'll see that most of the white will get selected. Then all you have to do is press delete or backspace on the computer, and then edit, deselect all, or control D. Then you can use the eraser to erase anything that might have been left over, or some of the underside of the cat here, or whatever it is that you are going to use for this example. So now you see the background is checkered pattern, and that's what you look for when you're looking for images that you want to use on projects, photo projects. But sometimes we find an image that we do want to use and it doesn't have a transparent background, so we have to make it a transparent background. And then all you have to do is save this as a PNG. So PNG transparent full quality. You can name this whatever the object is, transparent, whatever number, and your initials. Always make sure to rename your files so that you know what you're saving and know where it's going to go. Click OK. Keep your stuff in your pictures folders and save. Now sometimes it's not that easy. Sometimes you might have a background or you might have things in the background that you can't get rid of. Yeah, that's kind of funny. So for example, let's say we want to use this cat or that object. New image, right click, copy image address, new, okay. So again, we double click to unlock our layer, and let's see if the magic wand tool will pick up some of the background. So it does, but not all of it. This can get kind of annoying because things like this happen. You actually get rid of part of your image and you don't want to do that. So if you accidentally do that, go back up in your history and then press Control D to get rid of your selection. So we got to go old school with this. We got to use the eraser. So click on your eraser tool. You can find a big brush in your brushes here and start erasing very carefully around your object. Okay, so that's what we'll do. And it's best to use a computer mouse for this. If you're using the touchpad, it's going to be a bit challenging because your finger might not be as smooth as the mouse. Alright, so I'm going to speed through this and watch me do this. Or go ahead and get started with your own. Okay, so once you have your erased edges nice, go ahead and crop it using the crop tool. And then again, File, Save, make sure the format is PNG. So this is an ugly looking cat, transparent. Okay. Excellent. Now you try.